So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you do not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro JPY. So let's see what Euro JPY will be doing for us for the day. Remember, I did this prediction for you guys yesterday, and I told you guys that market has gotten to our support level, right, that we should be anticipating for a bullish move. Guess what market did? Market came to tap the support level and eventually push up to close bullish. So this is still this our prediction is still a movement to the upside. It is very clear. Let's start with this movement to understand this. If you have to zoom it out, first rule of trading, know your trend. Second rule of trading, trade with the trend. What can you say the trend is on your EURJPY? What can you say the trend is on your EURJPY? This is very clear and this is very simple. EURJPY is in an uptrend move. We are what? In an uptrend move. EURJPY is very much to the upside. It is very much trending to the upside. So this is it right here. Market was able to push up to form an high. This is the higher low. Market then was able to push up again to form another higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market then did push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Which is an higher low. So with such a movement, we should be expecting market to push up till it is able to take out this high, thereby forming a new high. So whatever you would want to be doing on your GBP, EURJPY, you would want to be going for the buy. A bullish is what you should be expecting. So we should be anticipating for a bullish move on our EURJPY. That's what we should be expecting. Now let's run out to our 4-hour time frame, guys. So let's take a look at it on our 4-hour time frame. This is the first rejection zone. Here comes the third rejection zone, and this is the fourth rejection zone. So on this fourth rejection, we are now anticipating, we are seeing this bullish move. So we should expect market to still push up more. So this is to tell you that whatever you want to be doing on your EURJPY, going for the buy. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the next updates.